Alright, today we are replacing the power window regulator and motor inside this door because this window is not rolling up and down. It's been stuck in the up position for who knows how long, and well, we finally got the part. Right here in this box. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. There's only one other video as far as I know on how to replace this with the window in the up position. Every other video I found is with it in the down position, which I think is a lot easier from all those videos, but mine's up, so it doesn't really do me much good. So anyway, we're gonna get started. Alright, I've got the door panel off. I've gone ahead and taken off the splash guard as well. I believe this is the motor right here for the window regulator. So I gotta take off this screw and this screw now. I think it's just those two screws, and that will actually, I believe, make it so that I can drop the window regulator inside. We're actually going to put a couple pieces of painter's tape along the top of the window so that when I get these pieces out, it doesn't just fall in. So, and Patrick here is going to help me do that, and he's going to watch the window to make sure that the window doesn't fall. Still working on getting the motor piece out, but I believe I also have to take out this bolt and this bolt. These two appear to be adjustment bolts, so you can move it up and down and find the right spot. These two are, well, I'm going to call security or securing bolts. So I'm going to also remove these two. Alright, so we got the motor assembly loose. It's down here in the door panel now. We had to completely loosen it. We had to completely pull out these because it just wouldn't move otherwise. And then we slowly lowered it because none of these, there's nowhere in this area. I lowered it all the way to here. And right here, let me flip the camera around. So from right here, I thought that maybe, well, I could probably see the bolt. It's right there, but you can't get to it from here. You gotta go in from this side, and I used my socket wrench here, and I kind of just went in like that, and I loosened up that one. And now I'm gonna loosen up, let's see if I can, yeah, I'm gonna loosen up that one, and I'm gonna be very careful to get the bolts out. And then we should be able to remove this piece, which, yeah, we got to remove that piece from the window. That's the last piece to remove before we can attach the new part. We got the, this is the original part. Basically, kind of, I mean, it probably kind of looks like this when it's in the car, when the window's all the way up. We had to kind of move this over like this in order to lower the window down so that we could so I could get my hand in there and take out these two bolts which are attached to the window. And then once that's done, then you can just kind of, can you see this? Okay. Once that's done, you can kind of just wedge it out of this big hole right here. And now we're going to replace it with the new one. Bring it in is exactly reverse of how you got it out, I think. I'm just going to put it in like this, put that in like that, out like that, and then just kind of feed this in, and then I think we're going to go ahead and, let's see, motor in first. Actually, no, it'll be easier. I think it'll be easier for us if we put the bracket on the window. So, Patrick's taking the video right now, so he's going to stop it so he can help me with that because he needs to lower the window. Hold it. place so I can get both bolts on. Alright, quick update. We got the new part into the car. It's all secured. What we had to do was we had to lower the, well, we had the window lowered. We put the bracket on. Then we tried raising it up and then putting that on. This on. Probably depends on how your part arrives. For us, we ended up having to lower the window back down so that we could get these two screws, these two bolts, I should say, in alignment, and then I was able to put these two on. So it looks like it's actually in the, looks like it shipped, ours shipped in the down position. We're gonna try it out right now. All right, Patrick's gonna do the honors. All right, dude, just be a little cautious, I guess. Go ahead and hit this. Oh, hey, go ahead. Up, go. See if you can go all the way up. Okay, and then go all the way back down. Go all the way back up again. I do see that the door panel, I don't know if you can see it on the video, go ahead and go down again. Door panel seems to be warping a little bit when we go up and down.
Oh yeah, it goes like...
I don't know if that's normal or not, but let's try going down again.
Seems fine.
Go ahead and go up again. Ah, I see why. This one looks like it's still a little bit loose. But it works. This window hasn't gone up and down for a while, so that's fixed. Go ahead and go down one more time. Is that as far as it goes? Okay, yeah, and it's the child safety limit. So go ahead and go back up. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can secure that bolt a little more, and then we'll try it again. All right, here we go. We've tightened everything down. I'm gonna try it one more time. Go ahead. Go ahead and go up and down one more time. All right, the door panel seems to move around just slightly. That might be normal. We could probably take the other door panels off and take a look at those when we're finished here. Go ahead and go back up. Let's see. All right, so I wanted to be sure. Don't touch it yet. Don't do it yet. I wanted to be sure that the door panel moving like it did was normal. So I went ahead and pulled off the other side, and Patrick's gonna go ahead and hit the switch for the power window. Ready, dude?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. And as you can see, or maybe not, let's go ahead and do it. Go ahead and move it up. As you can see, yes, the door panel does warp a little bit when it goes down. Go ahead and do it one more time.
Yeah, it sticks out.
And then go ahead and do it again.
Goes
Not sure how well you can see it, but it does buckle ever so slightly right here, just like it did on the other side. So go ahead and do it one more time. And if you can't see it on the video, that's okay. I mean, it does happen. So it's perfectly normal once you've got your power window regulator motor replaced to have this part of the door move in and out ever so slightly. At least as far as I'm concerned, our car is doing it on both sides. This side's never been touched. So I don't see why it's not normal. Alright, now I normally order my parts off of PartsGeek because they make it super easy to drill down into your make, your model, the year of the car, all that stuff, and then to find the part, order it. Super reliable. They get you the part, you know, right away and all that. The only reason I didn't on these is because I noticed on their return policy it says for electrical parts they don't accept any returns at all. Now I figured that it was the motor. Actually, on that part it was easy. That part wasn't going to matter. The regulator piece, you can get the motor separately, but you only save $10. So not even worth it. That's on PartsGeek. For the actuators that I did in my previous video, those I was pretty sure that it was the actuator, but not exactly. So when I saw that, I decided, you know what, let me go check out eBay. And eBay The actuators were way cheaper. Actually, the power window regulator, or motor and regulator, was way cheaper. So I ended up getting those on eBay. I will link those below for anybody who might also need those that's watching this. Again, just as reliable. I got door handles for, I think, our older car off eBay, because they're like $5 for a door handle. And you know, going to the junkyard and looking around for that was a pain in the ass. That wasn't even worth it. So yeah, eBay or Parts Geek, super cheap prices. Well, eBay is going to be super cheap. Parts Geek is going to be a lot lower prices than, you know, your local automotive store, and absolutely lower, I'm sure, than a dealership.